We saw in a previous lesson how to do goal seeking and how the conditionally formatted cell changed its color according to its value. Let's see how we can do this. Click over E8, then go to Home tab, then click on Conditional Formatting, go to Manage Rules, and delete the rules linked with this cell. We can delete it, delete rule, delete rule, delete rule. If I press Apply now, it will be deleted. This is one way to clear conditionally formatted cells. I'll press Cancel now. There's another way. Conditional Formatting, go to Clear Rules. Either you can click Clear Rules from entire sheet. I don't recommend this. Sometimes you might have other cells on another sheet which are conditionally formatted, and by mistake you might delete its conditional formatting. So I prefer to clear rules from selected cells, which is E8. Now let's create our own conditional formatting. Click Conditional Formatting from Home tab, hover over Highlight Cell Rules. Now choose Equal. Enter 50. Choose green fill with dark green text, and I'm going to press OK. So if this number is 50, it will turn into green color. Again, now let's create another rule. Click on Between, 0.1 up till 49.9. Yellow fill with dark yellow text. Click OK. Look, 0. It changed. Control Z to undo. Our last rule is going to be greater than, put 50. This time I'm going to custom format. Okay, I can do bold, change the color. I can put gold color for the font. And regarding the fill, I can choose dark red. Regarding fill effect, I can have two colors. First one, I can have dark red. The other one, I can choose red. And for shading styles, I'll choose from center. I'll press OK, and I'll press again. OK, then now this. I have by mistake conditionally formatted the wrong cell. What can I do? Should I delete everything I did? Or is there something else I can do? There is. We can go to Conditional Formatting, Manage Rules. Okay. From here, choose the Browse. You can clear this selection, choose this cell, then press Apply, then OK. Now this cell is no longer conditionally formatted. We have this cell formatted now.